Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. Hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to create some mirrored wall decor. It's going to have an abstract look about it. I'm going to be using some mirrors to help create the look. So I'm going to get started. And I'm going to start by using this panel from a empty makeup cabinet that I took apart. Well, actually my husband took it apart and we had 4 shelves that were left over. So I'm going to start by painting the opposite side, the softer side, which actually looks like canvas. I'm going to start by using this silver paint. I'm going to use this one in the tube today. So I'm going to paint this whole panel here and I'm going to set it off to the side. I'm going to allow it to completely dry. Been about an hour and a half and it is completely dry, and I do love the way this looks. I love the luster. So now I'm just going to take a little bit of that paint. I'm going to put some off to the side of the paper here. I'm going to use that and I'm going to paint the outer perimeter, the edge of the board. I'm going to paint that completely. So I let that dry for about an hour. Again, it's completely dry. So now I'm going to start to sort of outline the board where I'm going to lay my decoration. So I'm going to start, I've already started, as you can see. I've got some straight lines there. What I'm going to do is make some long straight lines from the top to the bottom. And I'm also going to be making some smaller lines about 9 inches long. And I'm going to repeat that process. So now that that's done, I'm going to be using my Aleene's clear gel tacky glue. Next, I'm going to take this champagne colored glitter. It actually looks like a vintage gold, but it's called champagne. That's the color. I'm going to use that and I'm going to sprinkle that along the shorter lines. And once that's done, I'm going to take some extra fine silver glitter on the longest lines. After I finish doing that, guys, I'm going to set that to the side. Again, I'm going to let that dry for about 20 minutes. Now that it's dry, I'm going to remove the remaining glitter that's on top. I'm going to put that onto this plate so that I can store it away in another container. So now I'm going to be using this silver diamond wrap as my decorative frame. I'm going to hot glue it along the outer perimeter of the board. So I'm going to be using these 1-inch squared beveled mirrors, and I picked these up years ago from a home decorating store that went out of business, and I'm going to use this today for my decoration. Also, I'm going to be using some smaller mirrors to help create the look, and so I'm just going to lay this into the areas that I want it to be in, and then I'm going to hot glue them all into place. Okay guys, so I have hot glued all the mirrors into place off camera, and here is the final look. I absolutely love the way this looks. I really love the combination of the mirrors, the larger and the small mirrors. So you let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to thumbs up the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And you all stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.